Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 140. This was the 17th of January 2023, a Tuesday. So I started the day with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill. That included a 5-minute jog. I got my car serviced. I attended a business proposal meeting. I didn't decide to go along with the business, but I attended the meeting. I was giving it serious consideration, but there were costs involved that I was not willing to accept. Then I attended a power customer appointments, plural. Then I met with one of my consultants, and we went over Facebook ads. I showed him how to do Facebook ads of his own. And finally, I did Remote Wellness Academy practice call number 12 with a partner. So I had to practice before the practice call and then have the practice call. Very time-consuming process, but it's all going to pay off in spades eventually. I hope it will. No, it will. And but it's a lot of work. There's a lot to it. So just going through everything, a lot of stuff there. So, and then I also worked on books too. I also had more book business to take care of, repricing, as always. And, we're in the tail end of textbook season. I think we have a couple more days, and then sales will go back to normal. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to talking to you and seeing you tomorrow. Thank you.